My Xiaomi blender finally gave up on me after like 4 months of use, and I decided to go for something which was cheaper and which I felt had close to the same quality. But I was very wrong. This blender sells for around $12 on Konga, Jumia and Aliexpress, and is almost useless in my opinion. It struggles to blend anything harder than overripe bananas, as you can see in this video where I'm trying to blend half an apple and a banana. This blender is best suited for overripe banana smoothies or protein powder shakes, and that's it. Do not get this blender hoping it will blend harder fruits. You'd be sorely disappointed. Do please give this a thumbs up if you find this helpful, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do have a lovely day guys. Bye.